Thanks again, Meta, for gifting the Meta Quest 3. Woo, there we go. So we got a Wii Sports kind of VR game on the Meta Quest, and it's called Home Sports. And I've tried it out, and it actually blew me away of how good it was. Whether you're going to play it single player or locally with your friends or multiplayer, it's all possible. It's really cool. You just have to check it out. I'll dive into a couple games in this video. So let's just get into it, shall we? Okay, let's go. Wii Sports. Oh, I remember the days when I was doing Wii Sports. Let's see if this will live up to that. Touch the floor with the control to set the floor level. Here we go. I might need some more space than this, but might have to move my table over there. Just for this occasion. Something like this. So guys, even if you have small homes, as you can see, my home is really not that big. Just try to make some space, move things around just for the occasion, and you will have a lot of fun. Ooh. Alright, that's cool. We got single player, we got multiplayer, and we have a career mode. Haptics, full, play space. We just did that. Play space, outline. For now, let's just...
Single player.
Single player, yeah. Pickleball? Never heard of that sport. Badminton, mini golf, hockey. Okay, guys, we all know we have to try bowling first. This brings me back to the Wii Sports era. Match against a bot, drills, practice. Yeah, sure, let's do a match. That's me. Okay. Oh, at a bot. Let's make it the medium. Yeah. Alright. Okay, guys, first impressions. It's really reactive. Everything is... Whoa. Oh, that's really cool. Use a ball to knock down pins at the end of the lane. Yeah, I know that. Okay, some bowling tutorial.
Let's go.
I know how this works.
Your turn.
Ooh, okay. Okay, let's see. Ooh, nice throw. Almost. Ooh, all right. That felt nice. Okay, let's do it again. Oh. Oh man, that was bad. Why do we have those side things on? I want it off. Yeah. What the hell? Yeah, you're a champion, guy. Okay. Look at this, guys. It's in freaking pass-through. I want those side things off, man. This makes me feel like a baby. My aim is quite bad, though. Okay, hold on. Let me just practice a little bit. I want to be careful of my boundary. Okay, let's do it from here. Oh, we can actually see. Wow, that was bad. How did I do that? Maybe I have to do those moves at the beginning. Okay, now. Okay, how am I? Okay, whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, that was... at least it didn't go to the sides, so that's... why was my first throw so good? Okay, let's just keep it at this one. What was that? I feel like a total loser. Oh, he doesn't even have tracks. Only me. They know that I'm such a noob. Oh, okay. That went a lot better. Ooh, okay, let's get... Oh yeah, that works. Okay, let's go for the spare. Come on, come on, come on. Ah. Yeah, I mean, the controls work great. The mechanics, the gameplay, it felt good. And yeah, apart from my horrible throws... Let's do badminton. Let's do a match again.
Match.
Okay, so how does this work? Just be careful, guys. I've got a TV over here. If you get too immersed, then yeah. Oh, like this.
Your serve.
Yeah, alright. Oh. What? Come on.
Net.
Oh. Let's see. Okay. Oh.
Out.
Oh no. Okay. Badminton. Really cool. Works really nice. No complaints other than just have enough space. So, and in multiplayer one, we can play with friends locally or online. So that means we can actually play directly here in my living room, or they can play at home and me too, and they see exactly this screen and be virtually together, basically. And then we have a career mode. As you can see, my assistant works wonders to get some extra resistance. Alright. Yeah, I like that. Oh yeah, okay.
Grab your gear.
There we go. Pickleball. What do I do? Oh, here it is. I have to just... Oh! Oops. The physics feel nice. Yeah. Alright, you handle serving. Now let's see you handle the moving balls. Oh. Let's go. There we go.
Drill finish.
Nice. Okay, and then we go into the next one.
Multiplayer.
Let's do a multiplayer one too. It's gonna find it for me. No idea. Well, it's not finding anyone. So, don't know what's up with that. Maybe there literally is no one. Got a party code, create a party, invite players, usernames. Yeah, so I think most people are playing this game just as a party with their friends and family. I don't know how the matchmaking, if there's enough public open parties in order for it to find a match for you. The game mechanics and physics are amazing, and it brought me back to those moments with the Wii Sports. This is definitely the future of Wii Sports kind of games. Let me put it that way. Play it with your friends and your family. I bet they're going to love it. I am definitely gonna play this more also with my girlfriend and a couple friends of mine. Thank you, Meta, for gifting the MetaQuest 3. By the way, if you want to get home sports for yourself, I have included a link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and like the video, and leave a comment down below if you're going to try out home sports for yourself. And I also want to know, what kind of sport do you actually like? And what are you going to try out in home sports? And of course, if you're itching for more games besides just home sports, then I have the perfect video. You can watch it right here. I'll show you 10 free games that you can download straight away on your MetaQuest headset and enjoy those games right away. So don't wait, click the video right here and I'll see you there.